Today we're going to be making the most perfect, delicious, the fluffiest buns you will ever have. Thank me later. And we're going to be serving that with some chicken livers. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is start with our flour. In here I just have 3 cups of cake flour. And then to that I'm going to add some sugar, a bit of salt, and then some instant yeast, some warm milk, so not hot, warm. And then now we mix our wet ingredients into our dry. Just mix until everything is nicely incorporated. So then now I'm going to add in my last cup of flour. I'm going to do the half and give that a mix. You can do this with a machine, but I'm going to do it with my hands just to show you how easy it is. And now my final bit of flour goes in, and then now we just mix. Don't worry if it seems a little too dry. You don't need any more liquid. I promise this is all going to come together. Then at this point I'm going to use my clean hands to just mix a little better and then start kneading. Then we're going to knead quickly for 8 to 10 minutes. So you want your dough to be nice and elastic. Okay, so this is what you want. Your nice smooth dough, see, with that bounce. It's perfect. So this is gonna go into this greased bowl. I'm just gonna cover it and leave it in a warm spot for about 30 minutes till it's doubled in size. Okay, so now that our buns are proofing, we can get started on our chicken livers. So once our oil is hot, in goes our onion, some chili, but this is totally optional. And now we're just basically frying our chicken livers. We want it nicely browned and cooked. Now I'm going to cover this for a few minutes and just let it cook quickly. So this is what we want. I'm going to lower my heat and add in the final ingredient, which is our glorious cream, and just stir that in. Our dough is nicely risen, and I'm just going to knock it. And now we're going to actually shape it into our rolls. Just make sure they're all the same size. Make sure that you leave some room in between so that when they proof, there's space for them to expand. As you can see, they nicely expanded, and now they're just going to go into a 180 preheated oven for about 12 to 15 minutes. And there we go, and that is lunch done. Okay, now for the moment of truth, the taste test. Just gonna break one here. Just want to show you how fluffy that is. I'm going to dip into my creamy chicken livers. This is perfection. The buns are super fluffy and delicious, and this is all the creaminess that you need. Happy cooking!